Hey, what's up guys? My name is Shadow. This is Shadow's Garage for now, till we get Shadow's Warehouse. What's up guys? Appreciate your time. Today we are going to be finally starting the disassembly of basically all of the Go Fast fun bits from the 1993 Dodge Stealth twin turbo all-wheel drive, and be transferring all of the Go Fast bits into the 1995 Mitsubishi 3000 GT because it's basically the same car except way more badass. I do like the pop-up headlights though. All right, so today our first project is something really simple. Removing a side mirror. So this video is titled How to Remove the Side Mirror on a 1993 Dodge Stealth twin turbo. All right. If you can see the function of this, you have to manually turn it. But if you notice, it turns the opposite way, which is kind of cool. If someone goes by, it wouldn't break. It would just turn complete 90 degrees. It goes 180, but not 360. So when you turn it to the right, you can see the left side bolt. And when you turn it to the left, you can see the right side bolt. So that's how that works. Now, we're gonna get into how to remove a side mirror. First, if you have big hands like me, you need $11 pair of gloves. You need to protect these. Trust me, I have all sorts of nicks and bruises and cuts and scrapes from wrenching on cars. Honestly, just get the gloves. These are like level 5 cut resistant, which I usually just wear disposable latex gloves, but they just rip through so easily. And a box of latex gloves could be like $30, $40 sometimes. So just wear these nice ones, okay? So now for the tools. To remove the side mirror, you're gonna need a $1,000 Snap-on impact wrench. Now, yes, maybe you can get other cheaper ones, but this is really what you need. This is a limited edition black Snap-on, and they usually come in all sorts of cool colors, but I love this one. Second of all, you're gonna need the also $100 Snap-on battery with this $50 magnetic Snap-on battery attachment. Now you're in business. So in order to reach that bolt, you're gonna need a extension chambered in 3/8 because I'm using a 3/8 power impact ratchet. Lastly, you're gonna need a $350 set of impact rated stubby 3/8 a 10mm socket. I love these because they're wobble. Those come in handy, and they're impact rated. So now you're finally in business. You're ready to take off that side mirror. Now, as you can see, turn it to the right, it shows you this bolt. Look at that, a bolt from 1993. On the ground. Turn it to the right. You can see the other bolt. This is why you have the magnet. Tell me that's not awesome. Now, if you look here, this actually has an electrical connector. In 1993, this was advanced for its time. Objects in mirror appear closer. There you have it, folks. And that is how you remove a side mirror on a 1993 Dodge Stealth. All it took was almost $1,500. Mechanic life.